We'll guide you through how to rotate a computer or laptop screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps something's accidentally pressed some keys on your laptop and you've gone and found that it's gone and rotated. This can be an annoying problem because it's really hard to go and use, as of course it's on its side, and you may go and find when you move your cursor as well, it doesn't quite move the direction you go and move it. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. There's some different options you've got to watch this full guide, and you can go and see what's going to go and work for you to go and get it back to how it usually is. So the first way is we can actually try doing a keyboard shortcut. This is the most ideal way. So in some cases, people are going to go and have a Alt and Control key just here. Both of them need to be held down, and then you can try using the arrow keys to go and rotate it. Press them and go and see if you can get it in the direction you want it. In this case, this doesn't work for me, but I know it does for some people. But if it doesn't, what we need to do is go and move your cursor to an area where there's no apps or anything, and you then need to go and right click. Now in here, you need to go and use your cursor. Just get used to using it in like a weird way because it's not going to quite go where you move it. And we need to go and press display settings and click there. Then what you need to do is we need to go and find the option for display orientation. So my cursor is actually near it. And then what we can do is we can go and click there. And then you can go and click landscape. So you can go and see that there. You want to go and click on it. And as you can see, it's now back to normal. So you can then go and press keep changes, and that's it. You've now successfully rotated it back to how it is. So if you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you want to see more guides like this, feel free to check out the channel. We post these every single day. I'm sure we'll be able to help you again.